Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This video is going to be more for the people who have decided that they're going to take that leap and they're going to have their Christmas lights installed this year by a professional. What I want to do is I want to give you a couple of basic questions that you need to be asking and a few things that you need to know so that you can make sure you're comparing apples to apples, oranges to oranges, if you will. The biggest question you want to ask is how does the purchase happen? And what I mean by that is that there's two predominant methods of doing Christmas light installs. There's a lease model and there's a purchase model. With the lease model, you actually don't own anything. You just pay a flat fee to lease, basically to lease the lights for this holiday season. So if you decided that you wanted to change something, maybe you could change something down the road because you're just leasing. However, if you were to move houses, you don't get to take those lights with you. If you sell your house, it's not like you could leave them as a perk. If you get mad at the person that's installing them, you don't own the lights, so therefore you can't retain the material that you've been using and just use somebody else. Whereas with the purchase model, you actually own the material, right? So you have an upfront cost the first year to where things are going to cost a little more. You're having to actually pay for the material. Most companies will actually store the material for you just as an added bonus. But if you get put out with them, you can get your material, you can let somebody else install them. If you move houses, you can take the lights with you. If you sell your house, you can leave the lights for the new person. So it's really just kind of a personal preference, whether or not you want to use the lease model or the purchase model. My personal belief is that the purchase model is better, just simply because it gives you as the end consumer, gives you something tangible to put your hands on, and it gives you more of the leverage in the long run. So another important question is that you want to ask what kind of material are you using. And when you think about material, there again, you've got your traditional incandescent, and then you've got your new and improved LED. Incandescent is being phased out so fast that you don't want to let someone sell you an incandescent this year to turn around and have to try to upsell you to LED next year. So make sure you're getting LED. Go ahead and just get it done right out of the chute. Not only is the material going to last longer and just be better, it's also going to save you money on your electricity bill as well. Another question you want to ask is what kind of material are you using? You want to make sure that they're using a custom material that can be custom fit to your house. You don't want someone running down to Lowe's or Home Depot and buying a bunch of stuff and having to piece it together. So that's another important question. Also ask what size bulb are you using? C9, C7. C9 is a bigger bulb. It costs a little more, but it's going to give you that look that you want at the end of the day. So anyway, those are probably some of the more important questions that I think that I would tell you to ask is, am I leasing the lights or am I purchasing the lights? Are you using custom fit commercial grade material? And what size bulbs am I going to get? So if you've got any further questions or maybe you need some advice, you need to be pointed in the right direction, just let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.